Hello, good morning. Welcome to Morning Circle. I'm so glad that you could join me today. I'm very excited because today we're going to talk about our month, we're going to talk about our season, we're going to do some days of the week, some patterning, we're going to do some skip counting and our weather song, and it's just going to be a great start to our day. So I hope that you're ready to do it with me. Let's start with our month, shall we? Our month is right here. It starts with a capital A, P-R-I-L. It is April. Our month is April. Our season is spring. It's when all of the trees start budding and the grass starts growing and the flowers start popping up and we see robins in the sky. So keep your eyes peeled for the signs of spring because they are everywhere. All right, so we know that our month is April, our season is spring, and now we're going to do our days of the week. We know that there are 7 days in the week, 5 weekdays, 2 weekend days, right? So today we're going to do our days of the week song. You ready? Put up 5 fingers for your weekdays and 2 for your weekend, and do it along with me. Okay, here we go. There are 7 days in a week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday is a stay-at-home day. Friends, today is Wednesday. It is the middle of our week. If today is Wednesday, that means that yesterday was Tuesday. Okay, so we're going to get our chart and we're going to start filling it in. So, yesterday was Tuesday. Good job. We just talked about today. Today is, do you remember? It's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Which means if yesterday was Tuesday and today is Wednesday, that means tomorrow is Thursday. So we'll put our Thursday right there. So I'm going to say it first and then repeat after me at home. Are you ready? Yesterday was Tuesday. Your turn. Good job. Today is Wednesday. Okay, and our bottom one, tomorrow is Thursday. Good job. All right, so since we know that today is Wednesday, it means that we can figure out what number we have to count to. So we're going to look at our calendar and we're going to get ready to count. We start at the number 1. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and today is 15. Good job. There's a 1 in the tens place and a 5 in the ones place. So it's the number 15. Friends, we need to decide, though, looking at our pattern, if it's a yellow umbrella or a rainy cloud. So let's look and see if we can figure out what comes next. Okay? Umbrella, rain cloud, umbrella. Rain cloud, umbrella, rain cloud. Umbrella, rain cloud, umbrella. Rain cloud, umbrella, rain cloud. Umbrella, rain cloud. What's next? Did you figure it out? Is it a rain cloud or an umbrella? It's an umbrella. Good job. So we're going to put it right here and double check our pattern. Rain cloud, umbrella, rain cloud, umbrella. Good job. All right, friends. So we're going to write our date. In order to do this, we need to review it so we know what we're going to write. So here we go. Ready? Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. Okay, are you ready to write with me? We're going to put our writing paper up and move it on over. And we're going to start writing. Remember, you can write along with me at home, or you can trace in the air. All right? So follow along. We're going to use our 4 lines. Our top line, which we will call our skyline. Our dotted dash line in the middle, that's our airplane line. Our bottom line, which is called our grass line. And our bottom line, which is below the grass line, which is called our worm line. So, here we go. Our sentence starts with the word today. So, across our skyline is going to be the top, and down from skyline to grass line is going to be our middle. And the reason we're doing it that way is because we start with a capital T. So, let's go. We're going to go skyline to grass line, nice and straight. Then we're going to go right across that skyline. T. Next is our O. We're going to go airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line. Next we need a lowercase d. Airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line, skyline to the grass line. Next we're going to do our A. Airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line down to the grass line. Good job. Last letter in the word today is a Y. We're going to go airplane line, slide to the grass line, airplane line, slide past the grass line down to that bottom line, which is our worm line. All right, we're going to put a nice finger space in there because we want to make sure that our words don't run together. So today is, which is our sight word. So we're going to go from our airplane line down to our grass line, put a dot, no lollipops, don't connect them. Then we're going to do our S. Airplane line, squiggle down to that grass line. Good job. Another finger space. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday's pretty long, but I have a lot of space here so I can fit it. If you're running out of room, go down to the next line because you're not going to want to squish it and have it run down the side of the paper. So look and see if you can fit that big long word, Wednesday, on your line. If not, drop down. Okay, ready? Wednesday starts with a capital letter because it's a proper noun. So we're going to go skyline, slide to the grass line, slide up to the skyline, slide to the grass line, slide up to the skyline. Okay. Next is an E. We're going to fly under our airplane line, up to our airplane line, and down to the grass line, give it a little hook. Next, we have our D. We're going to go airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line, skyline down to the grass line. Next is an N, airplane line down to the grass line, trace back up, hit that airplane line, go down to the grass line. Next is an E, fly under the airplane line, up to the airplane line, around and down. Next is an S, airplane line, squiggle down to that grass line. Okay, now we're going to do D, so it's going to be airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line, skyline down to the grass line. Next is an A, airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line down to the grass line. Next is a Y, airplane line, slide to the grass line, airplane line, slide past the grass line down to the worm line. All right, today is Wednesday. Next, we're going to hit it with our month. Nice big capital A because it's a proper noun. It's April. So we're going to start up here at that airplane line. Skyline, slide past the airplane line down to the grass line. Skyline, slide down to the grass line and run across that airplane line. Capital A. Next is our P. We're going to go airplane line down past the grass line to the worm line. Airplane line down to the grass line and back up. Next is R. We're going to go airplane line down to the grass line, back up to the airplane line, give it a hook. Next is I. Airplane line down to the grass line. And then put the dot between the sky and the airplane line. No lollipops. Then we're going to do an L. So we're going to go from the skyline down to the grass line, nice and straight. Okay, we got to hit it with our 15 next. So we're going to put our finger space in and start with a 1. So we're going to go from the skyline down to the grass line. Next we have a 5. For our 5, we're going to go from our skyline down to our grass line, down to our airplane line. and then curve down to our grass line and give it a hat. So down and around and give it a hat. That's how you make a 5. Next, we're going to do that little comma that we've been working on. Go to the grass line, give it a little teeny hook. It's not a period, but it's not big motion. It's just a little teeny hook. Okay, put your finger space in. Now we're going to do 2020. So we're going to start under the skyline, go up to the skyline, slide down past the airplane line, and run across the grass line. There's our 2. Next, our 0, we're going to go from our skyline down to the grass line and back up to our skyline. Then we're going to go from our just under our skyline up to our skyline, slide down and run across, make another 2. Then we're going to go skyline down to the grass line, back up, and then we're going to put a period at the end. Let's read it. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. If yours looks like mine, you did a great job. Okay, so we're going to put our writing over here, and we're going to do some skip counting, and we're going to warm up so then we can do our weather song, okay? Today, we're going to do just like we did yesterday, and we're going to start with 5s. Throw them out. You have 5 fingers on one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Throw them out each time we do a different amount of 5. After that, we're going to do 10s. And when we do 10s, you're going to throw out both hands. So let's start with our 5s. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Great job. Now let's do our 10s. Ready? Warm up all those hands, all those fingers. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. If you're sitting next to someone, give them a high five. Good job. I'm so happy that we're working on our skip counting together. So now that we're warmed up, let's do our weather song. Are you ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is there snow or is there sun? All right, friends. Well, where we're living, there is supposed to be a cold day, and we might even see some snow. According to the weather, we have a 60% chance of snow today. So it's going to be cold. If you go outside, make sure you're with an adult and make sure that you are bundled up. All right, so friends, today we're going to put cold. All right, so we'll put it behind our 15, and we are all set. Friends, thank you so much for joining me for Circle. We have a fun craft that goes along with our theme and current event for the week, and I hope you get a chance to make it. If not, you can see my daughter and I, we made it. It was a little messy, but it was a lot of fun. So I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you again for Circle tomorrow. Bye!